On this worst roof ever edition for you guys so you can learn. Actually, it's not really the worst roof ever, it's not a bad roof, but there's some things we can learn from on this video. So if you're a homeowner, do-it-yourselfer, DIYer, or a roofer, listen up. If you're gonna be on your roof, say a lower section like this, to work on a section like, say, like that, and you put a ladder on your roof, be careful. Some common things to avoid on your roof is walking up the middle of the valley, as well as putting a ladder on your roof causing this kind of damage here, but more importantly, in a valley section. This homeowner called because he's got some spotting occurring in his ceiling. He came up on his roof, is like, wow, somebody that just painted my roof gable vent up there did the damage and leak occurred right after they did it. So let's learn from this. You're gonna have to put a ladder up here, maybe put a cushion down, maybe put a board down, something to disperse the weight. Or if your ladder has a sharp, jagged point like the rubber boots are missing on it, don't put it up there, because that's what's gonna happen. This one here, it actually broke the shingle. It broke the headlap underneath it, which is this shingle. The headlap is the part under this one. It destroyed that as well. The underlayment, the ice and water, valley roll metal, whatever it is, it's broken, punctured as well, because he is seeing a leak right below this section. Learning moment from the video. So if you're gonna do something like that, make sure you take the proper precaution to protect your roof system. And while I was up here, I found something else that's just like, we're gonna learn from it here in just a minute too. I was looking at this shingle here because I like to look at things, and look at that. You got the starter and the seal strip, you know, it's offset, you know, but the problem is you have a shingle upside down with a cellophane backing right there. How is this gonna seal down? Is it ever gonna seal down? No. So to show you a little more on this, a little closer up detail, we're gonna go down to the prop I got down there, bundle, and I'll see you in just a second. All right, here we go. We got our Owen Corning Oak Ridge Estate Gray flavor. So, now for the learning moment. These shingles come from the manufacturer. They got to make its way from the manufacturer, from a semi to the warehouse where you're buying them to transport them to your house up on your roof. How do you get them not to stick until they're on the roof? Well, they do this little thing here where this seal strip here, this little gooey thing right here, lines up with this cellophane strip right here. And this one right here does the exact same on that right there. It's so it can stick in the bundle nice and perfect. You can open it up, put it on your roof. Mind-blowing. Why do I find so many people that install these like that? Doesn't make any sense. This cellophane strip is going to keep it from sticking. Not good. So, what do? If you're going to use a shingle for your starter, maybe when you go to install this like this, you do that right there. It's got a sticky strip that's going to stick to the sticky strip. Easy. Or here's another solution. Maybe if you're like Tim Allen, because that ain't going to stick, you simply do this. Guess what? How you got a seal strip sticking to a seal strip sticking to your roof? No, really, what I'm not a fan of, and you can also spin it the other way, the most important thing is you don't want your cellophane backing lining up with this. What I don't like with any of these solutions is this dimension is the same as this dimension, so you're going to have a bit of a dip right here. So when you have a dip like that and the shingle comes across, it's going to have a slight little hump. Well, when it's on a low slope section, it's going to have to jump that little dip. What happens? Water runs laterally, so it's not a good thing. I mean, you really want your starter to be past the headlap low ways, but not all the way to top, because you want a nice little, hey, like Malarkey, plug to Malarkey, they got a tapered shim. That's somebody using their brain. Oh, by the way, what do we got right here? Mi spunka tras la escalera for all you guys that hate. Yeah. No, seriously. Buy starter for your roofing project. Don't do this. Use a little bit of common sense when it comes to the design features of your shingle. And for all you Europeaners out there, yeah, our U.S. building materials may not be as good as yours, but it's because big corporations are more about the profit. Just smash the thumbs up button. We do a lot here for you guys. It takes a lot of effort to do this and edit it. Just hit the little thumbs up button. We'd really appreciate it. Need it for you. Everybody needs it. Just please smash the thumbs up button. Scroll on down right now. I'll wait 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Go down, hit the button, 2 seconds. Thank you for smashing the thumbs up button. Now, consider subscribing, ring the bell so you're notified in your newsfeed when we throw videos out there, whether it is a worst roof ever, how to DIY, or any future content to come on this grand roofing channel. We do it for you. Do this for us.